And there's our semi with our wheels from CustomOffsets.com. You package it nice, don't they?
I'm sorry?
But you do package
They
it good.
package them really good, yeah. They wrap them individually and... Okay, so we're going to take them and put them in the...
Yeah, I'll take them one by one right there in the back
Did
of
you
my
want
truck.
to back up to me or you want to roll them in?
You know what, I can.
Okay. I didn't know if you wanted to get them dirty on the dirt right there.
Alright guys, here we are in the shop. Got my wheels unloaded from the FedEx driver. Archon Alexander's 22 by 12s, minus 51 offset. Pretty decent lip. Nitto 420s. They are 305/45 R22s. Got two rights. And over here we got two lefts. They are proper directional, so they swoop as you're driving instead of digging or being four of the same direction. These are actually proper directionals, so there's two rights, two lefts. Just wiped them down with car wash soap and water. I'm gonna ceramic coat them right now before we put them on. Excuse me. There's the center caps for them. Also ceramic coat those. Here's all the free goodies they give you. Got a can koozie, got a hat. There's a t-shirt in there, a drawstring bag, Archon air freshener, some decals, custom offset decals, and Archon decals. So we're gonna go ahead and get the ceramic coating. There's my lug nuts, I haven't opened up yet. They're just black spline drive. I didn't opt for the spiked ones. Maybe I'll do those later, see how they look, but for now we just got the black spline drives. Needs to be going on the 17 Silverado that we did the 2-inch lowering shackles on last couple days ago. I actually only lowered it 1.5 inches, which is about right because you're never gonna get full 2 inches of drop out of it. So I'll bring you guys back when we do the ceramic coating. Alright guys, so we are using Nano Bond ceramic coating. That's what I did the wheels on the Maxima with. Actually one of the cheaper ones on Amazon, but so far on the Maxima has really good results, so I'm going to go ahead and roll with it with these ones. Couple drops on the couple drops on the sponge.
Let me shut this.
down here, bro. Nobody wants to see me. Nobody wants to see me. They want to see the results. You can actually tell a difference right off the bat on how slick it is and smooth it is. I noticed that on the Maxima wheels. I've had those on there for about 2 years, year and a half. And after I cleaned them and scrubbed them, I turtle waxed them and then applied the Nano Bond, and you can tell a difference on how smooth and silk the finish is. So hopefully it'll help keep the road grime off. Here we go, over here to the first wheel. Go. That's how easy ceramic coating is. It's $27 for that bottle. I still have almost half the bottle left after doing 2 sets of 22-inch wheels. So I'm going to use the rest of this on the Maxima and then buy another bottle for the truck to do the exterior paint job. So now we'll get them mounted. Here we go. Now we'll see how bad it rubs. See how much I got to cut off. Want to get in it and fire it up? Good job, buddy. All the way. Hold it right there.
It's my teacup.
Go back a little bit, babe.
Cut off.
Okay. Go back straight. Okay. A little more straight. Okay. Have to whip out the grinder and cut that inside line on both sides. Only it's gonna hit in the back, but we couldn't turn it all the way because it's hitting the front. So grab my grinder and be right back. That's how much we had to chop off. I'm gonna put a clip inside to pull this inner fender liner back in.
Oh, okay.
Chopped off that. That was straight down.
That's good.
Now we got enough clearance. Probably still have to do the NorCal mod later, but it ain't such a big thing right now. I'll clean these up a little better before I paint it, because I'm going to paint the whole front end white to match. I'll probably wind up doing this hood scoop white, leave all the emblems black, leave the bow tie black. Looks good. Let's take it for a ride, see how she rides. Again, 2212s, 305 45s. That's all the trimming I had to do. 1.5 inch lowering shackle in the rear. It's got a nice stance to it. Looks good with the black wheels on the white. See how she does.